So usually I draw stars really fast, but for the sake of this video, you know, I did it a little slower just so then people can see what's happening and so no one's confused. But usually I do it super fast, and just because it became like muscle memory or whatever, because I've been doing it for so long this way, so I usually do it fast, but yeah. And then also, if you do it this way, you can erase the inner lines if you want, or you can leave the inner lines and just, whatever. But, if you want to, you can erase the inside lines and then have it be a star without the lines in the middle, and yeah, so, you know, just a whatever there for if you want to, and then yeah, anyways, I guess that's it though, so whatever. So yeah, that's I guess one way that you can draw a star, and you can erase the lines in the middle if you want to, or leave it if you want to, and yeah, so I guess that's kind of it for this video. Hopefully it helped you with drawing a star, and yeah, so I guess that's it though, so bye.